Last winter, I had a chance to visit with my good friend Denzel Mitchell, who's the executive director of the Farm Alliance of Baltimore. The alliance is made up of urban farms and neighborhood growers who use their resource sharing and collective advocacy to build power and support local communities. On this day, I was fortunate enough to visit Denzel on one of the Farm Alliance's teaching farms, Black Butterfly Farm. Since 2021, the Black Butterfly Teaching Farm has been a hub for food production, farmer training, and community connection in South Baltimore. And, so many people never think of farms in the city or farms in Baltimore.
Well, that's kind of the point, was to localize our notions of food and obviously also bring it into season, and to help folks to realize that, like, you can grow food anywhere. Yeah. And we need to grow food anywhere.
We do.
We need to grow. Yeah. We need to grow it everywhere we can, everywhere we can. So
I think it also makes people realize where they're located.
Yes.
This is what nurtures us. This is what feeds us.
We're on the planet.
And we're here.
We're here.
Seeing it up close and personal really brings it home.
Yeah.